you happy? Oh, let's go there. Say, look at our bedroom. Happy? Yay! Are you happy? Fix your face. Happy, happy? Ada? You sleep early, ha? So we can swim tomorrow early. Swim, 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 swim. Swimming! Swim, swim, swim. Tomorrow na. It's already night, eh. No more na, no? Sino nag-ubos?
Tita Red.
Yay! What's that? Piatos. Yummy piatos. Yummy. Pagpatayin na kita, Papa. Gulo-gulo mo. Pa! Dead na. What are you doing? Oh, careful. Are you happy? Where's the swimming?
Here.
Tomorrow na lang, no? Let's swim tomorrow there, no? Where will you go? You sit here na lang. Here na lang. No, na dun. You will eat your marshmallow na?
Yes. That's what that.
That is liquor. Opo. Dede lang kay Kuko and juice, no? Opo, no yan.
Yuck. Hi, Shobe.
Ano hi, Shobe? Are you calling me Shobe?
Yes.
I'm Tata.
Shobe.
Hi. Kulit Kuko.
Look.
Yummy yan.
Ang mataan.
What's that? What's that?
Marshmallow.
Yummy marshmallow.
What's that? What's that?
Marshmallow.
What's that?
Marshmallow nga. Strawberry? No, it's not. Yes, it's strawberry.
What's that?
Strawberry marshmallow.
What's that? No.
Mango.
What's that?
I don't know.
Apple.
Apple. You know naman pala.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. Super long. Long marshmallow. No? Yummy yan. Looks like noodles. Yummy yan. That is marshmallow. No. Ito yung pinag-i-stayan namin. Ito yung mahal. Mura na, mas mura na para 3K. Tapos dito kami sa mismo may bahay. Laki pa. Yan. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Panay kalokohan tong bata na to. Oy, ano ka? Panay kakalokohan. Let's go na. Ano nga? Pretty yan. Tapos dyan yung pagsiswimming. Tapos dito kami sa may taas. Opo, tomorrow na, no? Good morning, baby. Hi, baby. Good morning. Baby. Good morning. Good morning. Iipit mo sa diaper niya yung short niya para di mahuhulog. Mamaya. Good morning.
Huwag mong pigilan, hayaan mong kusa, humawak ka sa'kin, sundin ang...
Dito room namin. Let's go down. Let's go to Ray and Alex. Let's try yung CR. Hi. What are you doing? Good morning. Are you happy? Close pa sila. Hi, Ka. Okay, let's walk here. Baby, where are you going? Dirty yan. No yan. Come here. Let's go down here. Come on. Come here. Rai. Let's go down, Tita Alex. Oh, huh? Careful. Alexis, kapitan mo yan. Huwag mo bibitawan, Alex, ha. Don't go there. Hold ka kay Tito Alex. Carry mo lang siya, love. Baka mabasa yung shoes. Wow. Yung shoes mo, ah. Let's eat first before we swim.
No jump, no jump. No jump.
Hi guys. Say hi guys. Good morning guys. You say good morning. Hello. Alin. Hold ka kay dito, Alex.
Sarado po mga tindahan.
Hindi na ang shoes ng baby. Dapat dito kami eh. Buti na lang sarado. Hindi kawawa kami dyan lang kami sa tento. 1-2 pa yan. are you doing?
Gusto mo ko tayo lalo sa'yo. Kahit dito mo mayroon na kapilya. Ngayon lang po sana kami ng dahil sa akin.
Let's eat there later, no? Mamaya na. Ang laki, no? Go there na, baby, kay Tita Alex. It's so big, no? Sana bukas na yung tindahan. Hey. Come here. Let's check if bukas na yung tindahan. Small yan. Don't touch that. Don't get that. Dito kami kakain later. What? Yeah. More rocks. You want? Tasina na lang. Stop. Stop. Huwag ka maingay. May nag-i-slip pa. They're so noisy. Ha? Bakit? Ano pa po? Nandok mo pala. Wala silang pinahiram. Noodles! Ahem. Pinoko. Bilis na, eat na noodles. Take soup. No thumbs up. No thumbs up. Papangitit mo. Ay. Singhot eh. Baby, let's eat. Kuko.
Papa Pig, come here. I want juice. Yes.
Oh, you watch na, Bili.
It was juices.
See your hair. clothes na. Ay, ano muna, dede muna. Ay, no swim if you don't dede. You know yung horse? Look at the horse. Hi! Dede! Come here na, change clothes na. Come here. Stand up. Green lang. Okay. Green shades. Sweet. But your clothes is color pink. You know what? Where's your shades? Over this. Let's wipe it first. Bakit? Anong damit? Wait. Tsaka laptop. Tanggalin mo na yung mga sakso. Hi guys! Swimming na. Pakiari ka kay dito, Alex. Yay! We will swim! Are you happy? Malalim ba, lab? Ikaw muna unang bumaba. Wait lang. Carry ka dito.
Nadala ba tayo, ano?
Nang?
Sinelas dito?
Oo, pwede yan. Oh, cold no. Hi! Kaya niya ba tumayo? Di niya abot? It's okay, wear your shades lang.
Lab.
Ingay naman. Bakit? Malalim? Biglang ilalim? Oh, gaano kalalim? Oo, wag doon. Baka agusin ka. No, Tito Alex na lang magaget.
Wow!
Hi baby, are you happy? Pretty yan. Let me see. Oh, it's look. Ha? Kaya uy! Parang nataidan na. Eh, dun mo papuntahin sa malayo. Oo. Oh, ano yun? Hi!
Say hi, vlog!
Hi guys! Hi guys! Stand up! Abot mo naman yung stand up. Yung stand up. Stand up ba, diba? Okay, let's go! Bye-bye bedroom. Come here. Wala na tayo naiwan na love. Come here baby. Bye-bye baby. Come here. I'm just joking. Come.